I just love serving these men and women who really stand up and defend our country. We're the 1%. I mean, you served, I served, and the individuals we represent are the ones that give us the freedom that we have. And that's not just lip service. Anyone who's actually served in the military, in particular, if you've gone downrange or you've gone through deployment cycles and you've had real hardships in the military, you know what it takes to really serve in the military. And so, I'm a huge sports fan, and I'm very fortunate that was able to get season tickets to the Bucks to watch. Hopefully, Brady can repeat and having another amazing year at the Super Bowl. But these are freedoms that I have and that I enjoy, and I want to defend those individuals that help give me those freedoms. I know it sounds kind of almost trite or maybe even cheesy, but that's the straight up truth. Before I did the criminal defense work in Miami, and I defended a lot of bad guys. I mean, the folks I was defending, or that, and I worked in Miami, and these were people that were trafficking narcotics, large quantities of narcotics. These are people that commit very, very serious offenses. And for the most part, not all of them, but there were a lot of bad guys out there that we were defending. And that was fundamentally different than the individuals I represent in the military. They're really some of America's best. And a lot of these individuals are incredible human beings. They're incredible service members. They're incredible husbands. They're incredible patriots. And they make oftentimes really poor decisions. A lot of it's involving alcohol. So without alcohol, I probably wouldn't have a job. But the reality is, with alcohol, they make these really poor decisions. And they just get screwed once this happens, because you can't coexist with the military justice system that's trying to prosecute you. The military justice system, they say it's out to give good order and discipline, but it's really out to make examples out of individuals. And so you have these incredible individuals, which are completely different than the types of folks I was representing before I joined the military a long, long time ago when I was down in Miami. And they make one bad decision or a decision with alcohol, and they're just getting screwed. And so I make a conscious choice, and I've made a conscious choice to defend these oftentimes young men and women, because they do incredible things for our country. And while the command now has written them off and said they're guilty, and oftentimes the people around them have written them off, we give them hope, we lift them up, and we will walk the walk with them and make sure they get to the other side of it. Because but for these service members, I don't have the freedoms that I do. So when I'm out watching Tom Brady play, or I'm out watching a Tampa Bay Lightning game, we're big sports fans around our house. When I'm at a game, because I'm not in court, that's something I don't take for granted. And these service members, they need to be protected, they need to be defended, and it's really been my life's calling to do that. I always say there are a hell of a lot easier ways to make a living than flying around the world and doing trial work. Trial work is in the trenches. It's not always glamorous work. It is down and dirty in the trenches, fighting battles every single day. For all attempts, these service members, where we're the only ones fighting for them. So it's really, Jason, it's my privilege and it's my honor to defend these individuals. And I would never do anything else. At this point in my career, having done this for 20 years, I would never go back to defending non-military service members. And there's nothing I'd rather be doing than defending those who really defend our freedoms.